Welcome to my channel. Today I will be explaining to you the trigonometrical identities. That is very important, and to some students they are facing different problems because they do not know how to apply the formula. I have already discussed the formula in the previous video. Search this one, Basic Idea of Trigonometry by Moinak Mukherjee or by Moinak sir. You will search. At first you should watch the video, then only you will go to the video. Otherwise there will be a lot of problem. Because if you don't know the basic of trigonometry, you cannot solve identities. Okay, this is the typical application of formula. So you should know, or you should watch the video Basic Idea of Trigonometry by Moinak Mukherjee. Then you come to this one. So in identities there are some proofs given. You have to prove that one. This is a very easy one. Okay, we'll start with some sums. Suppose it is given sin alpha number 1, sin alpha equal to 5 by 13. So you have to prove that tan alpha plus sec alpha equal to 1.5. Look, from sin alpha we can draw a triangle. Okay, we can draw a triangle. Okay, so then we get the other side, all sides, then we can find the formula. But by using formula we can do in another way. Like say sin alpha is given, what you need? Tan alpha and sec alpha you need, right? So if sin alpha is given, so you can find cos alpha. We know what? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1, or 5 by 13 putting the value of sin alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1, or cos square alpha equal to 1 minus this one, that is 25 by 169, or cos square alpha equal to 169 is the LCM, 169 minus 25. That means cos square alpha equal to 144 by 169. So you get cos alpha equal to 12 by 13 but by square rooting. You can write plus minus, but these angles, all angles are acute angles. So we'll take only the positive sign. Cos alpha equal to F. Okay. So sin alpha we know, cos alpha we have got. Now what we have to find out? LHS. Tan alpha plus sec alpha. What is tan alpha? This is sin alpha by cos alpha. What is sec alpha? 1 by cos alpha. All these things I have already discussed in the previous videos. So this is cos alpha LCM, sin alpha plus 1. You just put the value. What is cos alpha? Cos alpha is 12 by 13. What is sin alpha? Sin alpha is 5 by 13. 5 by 13 plus 1. What you are getting? 13 is the LCM. 5 plus 13. Here 12. So we are getting 18 by 13 this one, and this will go up 13 by 12. Cancelling by 6. 6 3s are 13. 6 2s are. That is 3 by 2 equal to 1.5. Right? Therefore we see LHS equal to RHS proved. You should follow this method. Okay, prove that this one, we at first write LHS, put the value, then that whatever I have got 1.5, so LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay, this is the first one. Now we'll go to the second one. Now we come to question number 2. This is very important. Look, cos theta plus sec theta equal to 2, right? Cos theta plus sec theta 2. What we have to find? You have to find this one. This is a cos to the power 11 theta, sec to the power 11 theta. So power is 11. No, that is not a problem. Just see. What we know? Cos theta plus, what is sec theta? 1 by cos theta. That is equal to 2. So we get cos theta is the LCM. Cos theta into cos theta. This is cos square theta plus 1 equal to 2. So we get cos square theta plus 1 equal to 2 cos theta, right? 2 cos theta. So cos square theta, this will come here. 2 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Look, this is in a perfect square. How you can express it in a perfect square? Like this way. a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hope you see the video of formula, that is just you can search, or you will get all the formula of square and cube. Search by algebraic formula of square, formula of squares, formula of cubes by Moinak sir or Moinak Mukherjee. Will get all the videos. Okay. So this is cos theta whole square minus 2 cos theta into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. That means cos theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0. That implies cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. That implies cos theta equal to 1. Okay. Look, if cos theta equal to 1, if cos theta equal to 1, cos theta equal to, now sec theta, what is sec theta? Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, that is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1, right? Cos theta equal to 1, sec theta equal to 1. Now what we have to find? Now cos to the power 11 theta plus sec to the power 11 theta. This is 1 whole to the power. That means this one is cos theta whole to the power 11 plus sec theta whole to the power 11. That means 1 to the power 11 plus 1 to the power 11, that is equal to 2. Oh, fine. So that is equal to, this is the answer. Here you don't have to write LHS and RHS because you don't have to prove. Okay. So we have done this one. Now we'll go to question number 3. That is very important sum. Like cosec theta plus sec theta. You should pause the video to note it down. Okay. Because I cannot afford more time. Now question number 3. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to root 3, find this one. Look what we know. From one equation you have to find two parts. This is not possible. Because in the simultaneous equation we have seen that there are two variables and there are two equations. But here is only one equation. But here you have to find two things, cosec theta and cot theta. That means there should be some another equation you have to prepare. Otherwise, you cannot solve this one, isn't it? Look, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to root 3 given. But you have to find cosec theta and cot theta. That means two things you have to find out. That is x and y you have to find out. So it is a simultaneous equations of two variables. So you need another one equation. So you have to form an equation at first. Then you can go for this one. So what we look, we know. This is question number 3. We know. This is a relation. I told you, if you don't see my video, if you don't see the first one, I mean the previous video, basic idea of trigonometry by Moinak sir or by Moinak Mukherjee. If you don't see the video, it is really a problem. So we know cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. That means actually all the things, you should know the formula and its application also. Here I am doing the applications of the formula. We know this one. This is a common formula. So the a square minus b square. So we can write cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. That is equal to 1. This video is for all boards. For West Bengal board, ICSE, CBSE, for all boards it will help you. There are some sums for class 9 and 10 both, but there are some sums which is for only for class 10. For class 10, ICSE, CBSE and West Bengal, all boards. Okay, these may come in your class 9 or class 10 exams. Okay, so we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So a plus b into a minus b. Now, this portion is given cosec theta plus cot theta equal to root 3. Put the value of this one and write this one. That is equal to 1. So we are getting cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So what we are getting, look, just see what we are getting. This is equation number 1, 2 say. And what is equation number 1? Right here. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to root 3, equation number 1. And cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by root 3, equation number 2. Now, what we have to find? Cosec theta and cot theta. Now go for simultaneous equation, solve. By elimination, or any method, it is better to go for elimination. If you add this one cancel. So 2 cosec theta equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3. That means 2 cosec theta equal to root 3 LCM. Root 3 into root 3, that is 3 plus 1. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, that is root under 3 into 3, that means 3. Plus 1, that is 4 by root 3, right? So cosec theta, or you can write implies cosec theta equal to 4 by 2 into root 3, that is 2 by root 3. Okay. You can rationalize or you can multiply both sides by root 3. So you will get 2 root 3 by 3, or you can keep it, no problem. Now with the help of cosec theta, we can find the value of cot theta. How will I find? How will I find? Putting the value of cosec theta equal to 2 by root 3 in equation 1. What we are getting? What is equation 1? This is equation 1. Cosec theta is 2 by root 3. We will put the value this one. It will be better. 2 by root 3 plus, what is cot theta? We don't know. Cot theta, that is equal to cosec plus cot equal to root 3. Okay. So what we will draw? Cot theta equal to root 3. Root 3 minus 2 by root 3, that is root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 2, 1 by root 3. Okay. So we are getting cot theta equal to 1 by root 3 and cosec theta equal to 2 by root 3, or cosec theta equal to, or one thing you can do, another one thing you can do, that is one cot theta equal to, okay, this is cosec theta already we got. So cot theta equal to 1 by root 3 equal to multiplying both sides by root 3, you will get this one is the answer and this one is the answer. Please check whether you can see or not. Yes, you can see properly. Yes. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now question number 4, eliminate theta between these two equations, 5x equal to 3 sec theta and y equal to 3 tan theta. Eliminate theta means we have to remove theta and form an equation without using the term theta. What we will do? Question number 4. What we will do? Okay. That is a very easy one. Look, sec and tan. By seeing sec theta and tan theta, we get an idea that we know that there is a formula sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, right? We will use this formula. So 5x equal to 3 sec theta, that means 5x by 3 equal to sec theta, right? And y equal to 3 tan theta, that means y by 3 equal to tan theta, right? We know what? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. By applying this formula, I have already discussed in the previous videos. So sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That means 5x by 3 whole square minus y by 3 whole square equal to 1. That means 25x square by 9 minus y square by all are 3, right? By 9 equal to 1. Or you can go for LCM, 25x square minus y square equal to 1. Or you can write 25x square minus y square equal to 9. Look, there is no term of theta. We have already removed. So by this, applying the formula, we can eliminate theta by applying this formula. Although we have to, there should be some relation between that trigonometric ratios. Otherwise, it is difficult. Okay. Please pause the video to note it down. Now we'll go to question number 5. Okay. That is also a very important one. Question number 5 is given x equal to a sec theta plus b tan theta, right? X equal to a sec theta plus b tan theta and y equal to this one. Prove that this one. That means this is also a type of elimination. Look, there is no theta business here. So what should I do? Question number 5. Look, this is square and this is minus sign. So what I will do? By squaring and subtracting, we get. At first we should write this one, x equal to a sec theta plus b tan theta. y equal to a tan theta plus b sec theta, right? So we get x square minus y square. X square minus y square. So a means this one, a plus b tan theta whole square minus a tan theta plus b sec theta whole square. So what we are getting? X square minus y square equal to what we are getting? A plus b whole square minus this is a plus b whole square. So this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab sec theta tan theta, right? Minus this is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab sec theta tan theta, right? So what we are getting? X square minus y square equal to a square sec square theta plus b square tan square theta, right? Plus 2ab sec theta tan theta minus a square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta minus 2ab sec theta tan theta. Look, this portion cancel and nothing is cancelled, right? So what we are getting? X square minus y square. Look, this one a square and this is also a square. Take common a square from these two terms. A square. What we are getting? Sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Now from this one and this one, what we take common? B square? No, minus b square. Why, sir? Because if we take minus b square, this will come first, sec square theta. Okay. No sir, I didn't understand. Okay, let it be. This one is no problem. I will make it more clear. So what we are getting? This is b square, right? B square tan square theta minus b square sec square theta. Look, this is the one, right? So what we are getting? X square minus y square. This is a square into 1. If you take common b square, you will get tan square minus sec square theta. But there is no formula of tan square minus sec square theta, right? There is no formula of tan square minus sec square theta. So if you take common minus this one, minus b square, take common minus b square. So this will come first, sec square theta, and this is plus sign, it will be minus sign. Why? Because whenever we are taking minus sign, all the signs will be opposite. So x square minus y square equal to this is a square minus this is b square, right? Therefore we can write, so therefore LHS equal to RHS proved, right? Pause the video to note it down. Let me see whether yes you can see it properly. Now question number 6. Prove that this one equal to the, look, there is a, in case of proof what we will do, nothing, just we will write LHS. Then if it comes that means RHS from the LHS directly, then there is no problem, whatever we have done so far. If it doesn't come, then we write LHS and we will keep the expressions part there, and then we'll write RHS, and then we'll try to compare or try to match. Okay. Now in question number 6, what we see, LHS is given cosec to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta. You have to prove cot. That means all things you have to convert into cot. We know there is a relation between cosec and cot. What is that? Cosec square theta minus, what is that? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay. So what we can do here, we can take common cosec square theta. What we are getting? Cosec square theta minus 1. Look, from here we see cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta, isn't it? So we are getting cosec square theta, that is cot square theta, right? But that is not the answer. Answer is cot to the power 4. Now, this cot square theta you keep constant. Now, what is cosec square theta? Cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. From where sir you got cosec square theta? If cot square theta goes in that side, so cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now you multiply this one, cot square theta plus cot to the power 4 theta. That is equal to RHS, isn't it? Therefore, you can write LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay, very easy one. Now we go to question number 7. Okay, what is given? Prove that sin theta plus cos theta into sec theta plus cos theta. Achha, one thing, if you can't see the problem, or if you can't copy pause the video to note it down. Okay, you can pause the video so that you can copy it to your copy. So now I am doing question number 7. Already LHS, that is sin theta plus cos theta. This is sec theta plus cosec theta. Look, there is a relation between sin and cosec, because cosec theta is 1 by sin theta and sec theta is 1 by cos theta. But we have to prove 2 plus this one. What will I do? Okay, nothing to do. Look, sec theta and cos theta, we have to come sec theta and cos theta. So what will I do? One thing we can do, sin theta plus cos theta. You must watch in my video that I have written sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. That is also given in the book. It's not only in my book. Everything is given in the book. Still 1 by sin theta. So this is sin theta plus cos theta, and this is LCM is sin theta cos theta, right? So cos theta cancel, sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta, right? So what we are getting, this one into this one means sin theta plus cos theta whole square, because this one into this one, and in the denominator part sin theta cos theta. Okay, so what we are getting, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right, by sin theta cos theta, right? That is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, right? Okay, 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 pause the video to note it down. Now this is 1 plus this one, that is equal to what we are getting. This is, we can write 1 by sin theta cos theta plus this is 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. That is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta is, we can write this way, 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta, because 1 into 1 is 1. This is 2 only, because sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. So we get 2 plus 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, this is sec theta, equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. Now we come to question number 8. Question number 8. Prove that cos A, cot A by this one equal to this one. How to prove? Question number 8. Look, this is 8. LHS cos A, cot A by 1 minus sin A. You have to come to 1 plus cosec A. So what will I do? Cos A, cot A by this one. So cos A means nothing, cos A. What is cot A? Cos A by sin A, right? This is 1 minus sin A. So what we are getting? No, nothing is cancelled here. So we are getting, this is cos square A, because cos A into cos A, cos square, this sin A will come here, and this is 1 minus sin A, right? Look, now what will I do? We have to prove 1 plus cosec A. There is no 1 by sin A is cosec A, but 1 plus cosec A is there. What will do? Look, one thing, these cos square all are sine, and this is 1 plus cosec A means 1 by sin. So we just try to remove this cos. remove this cos part, or we try to express cos in terms of sin A. We try to express cos A in terms of sin A. Look, we know sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So that implies cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A, right? This is 1, or you can write here, this is 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus sin A. But this one not cancelled, right? Look, what we can write here, this is rough portion. We can write here, look, this is a square minus b square form, 1 square minus sin A whole square form, and this is sin A into 1 minus sin A, right? This is a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b, and this is sin A into 1 minus sin A. Look, now this one cancel. Now we can add 1 by sin A plus sin A by sin A, right? Look, this is 1 by sin A means cosec A, right? Cosec A plus 1, that is 1 plus cosec A equal to RHS. Therefore, we can write LHS equal to RHS. Proved. So, we have proved this one. Okay. Now, there are some another sums to do. Okay, let me check whether you, yes, guys, you can see. Okay. Now I think you can see it properly. Okay. Look, this is a big one. Prove that this one equal to this one. So I have written the one. What to do? Cot and tan we have to do. Okay, there is 2 and 2. We just write from these two portion, we take common 2. What we are getting? Sec square theta minus cosec square theta. But there is no relation between sec theta and cosec theta. Still I am writing. Why? Because look, another one term is coming from these two. Or you can write minus sec to the power 4 theta plus cosec to the power 4 theta, right? Can you see it properly? Okay. Now, roll it, but if now we can do one thing, this is sec square theta minus cosec square theta, take common minus sec square theta. Is there any chance? Let me see. If we take sec square theta, no, we cannot take sec square theta common. So what we take common? Minus common. So we get sec to the power 4 theta minus cosec to the power 4 theta. Yes, now there is a chance of taking common. Sec square theta minus cosec square theta. Look, what we can write this one? This can be written as sec square theta whole square minus cosec square theta whole square, right? Now we are coming to a point. Sec square theta minus cosec square theta. This is a square minus b square. So we know that a plus b into a minus b. But look, there is a no relation between this one and this one, but ultimately we can take common this one. Grouping of terms. See the video. Grouping of terms in most probably factorization 2 by Moinak Mukherjee. There I have already discussed what is grouping of terms in case of factorization. Now we can take this. This is grouping of terms. This is sec square theta minus cosec square theta. This part is common, that is, and we get this one 2 minus, right? And this part is common, so we left with this part, sec square theta plus tan square theta, right? So this portion, look, sir, the question is cot. Okay, let me see. Sec square theta minus cosec square theta, right? This is 2 minus sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? Achha. Sec square theta minus, sorry. This is minus cosec square theta. Cosec square theta. Now what is coming? Let me see. Now sec square theta minus cosec square theta, keep it like this way. Now this is 2 minus, what is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. because ultimately we have to go where? We have to go. Acha, one thing, this is sec square theta. Sorry. This is sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Right. Sorry. So we'll get, cosec square theta. Right? So we get minus sec square theta minus cosec square theta. I am extremely sorry. Okay. Minus sec square theta minus, because when we were removing the bracket, so minus sec square theta minus. So we get, and this is minus 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Please copy. Pause the video to note it down. Now we get what? This is sec square theta minus cosec square theta. What we are getting at? 2 minus 1 minus tan square theta minus 1 minus cot square theta. Look, tan theta, con theta are already here. Now this is sec square theta, so we can write this one is 1 plus tan square theta minus, what is cosec square theta? 1 plus cot square theta. Sir, from where we got cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. Okay. See the first video of basic idea of trigonometry. Otherwise, really there is real problem. So many problems. Now 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is cancelled. So what we are getting? Minus tan square theta minus cot square theta. Okay. If you know the formula and its application, this part is very easy one. Otherwise, immense problem. 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 minus cot square theta. This is not in class 9 and 10, because in class 11 also it will help you. So take common minus, right? That is tan square theta plus cot square theta, right? So this one cancel. So we are getting tan square theta plus, tan square theta minus cot square theta into tan square theta plus cot square theta with a negative sign here. So a minus b into a plus b into a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Okay? Then what will I do? This is minus, this is tan to the power 4 theta minus cot to the power 4 theta. But we have to, what we have to prove? Cot 4. Look, this is coming minus tan to the power 4 theta plus cot to the power 4 theta. Okay. That is equal to cot to the power 4 theta minus tan to the power 4 theta, right? It's coming. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. LHS equal to RHS. Look, this is RHS. So LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. So very easy one. Okay. So look, this one you have to prove root over sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1 plus root under sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1 equal to 2 cosec a. Okay. So LHS, okay, we can write this one. LHS equal to, this is sec a minus 1 by sec a plus 1. This is sec a plus 1 by sec a minus 1. There is no relation between sec and cosec. That we know. So in this type, whenever you cannot understand what to do, it's better to split up. That is sec a means, look what we can write, 1 by cos a minus 1 by, this is 1 by cos a plus 1. This is 1 by cos a plus 1. This is 1 by cos a minus 1. What we are writing? This is 1 minus cos a by cos a. And this is 1 plus cos a by cos a. How do I come? This is a cos a is the LCM, 1 minus cos a by, and this is cos a is the LCM, 1 plus cos a by this one, plus this is cos a, 1 plus cos a, and this is cos a, 1 minus cos a. Look, this portion cancel, this one cancel. So what we are getting? 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, and this is 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Now what will I do? I will go for LCM, right? Now this one I have written here. So after that, now go for LCM. Cos A into 1 minus cos A, root under. Okay, what we will get? This is this one into this one cancel, this one into this one. So root under 1 minus cos A whole square. This is root under 1 plus cos A whole square, right? So this one into this one means root under 1 minus cos square A, and this is 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A. So this one cancel. So we are getting 2 by root over 1 minus cos square is root over sine square A, right? That is 2 by sine A, that is 2 into 1 by sine A. As there is no space, I am writing here, but you will do just below this one. So 2 cosec A, right? That is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. So I have done almost all type of sums. You should practice at home. I think there will be no problem. Okay. And most probably another one video I am going to upload, that is specially for CBSE and ICSE. This is this is for all board class 9 and 10. And the second video in the next video of trigonometry, I upload some other type of sums. Okay. All in this type of sums, they are coming in the exams and the board exams. Okay. So do practice and try, and before that you should watch the video, or we should watch the first video, otherwise there will be some problem. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching.